the killings, the thousands of people that are being killed in Nigeria every month should stop. Not by the force of the ruling class. Because the ruling class forced the Matasan sect and got Nigeria to continue with great bloodshed. They killed Yusuf of Boko Haram, and since then, Boko Haram has become a highly dreaded disease all over the country. And today, too, they are also forcefully killing the Shiites with the arrest of Ezazaki, with the arrest of Showore, with the arrest of Dadai, and a lot of other people. We want to say that that position that Buhari should end insecurity in Nigeria is a position to save lives and properties of Nigerians. 2, we are posited with one of our 5-point demand that systemic corruption in Nigeria should be ended with immediate effect. 3rd, the same Buhari government we posited in our 5-point demand that the government should give Nigerians free, functional, and compulsory education at all levels. For everybody that knows, this will resolve child courtesan, this will resolve terrorism, this will resolve a lot of massive illiteracy that is embedded in the country. We also asked in our 5-point demand that all the privatized sectors in the country should be immediately nationalized, and that all the oil licenses given to individuals in Nigeria, because we have a situation, because of the oil license that be dashed to individuals, girlfriends, boyfriends, or persons in power in Nigeria, have made just 5 people to have the wealth that can bail out 200 million Nigerians out of chronic poverty. All of these demands are democratic, humane, sane, for the millions of Nigeria. But the Buhari government, in its sheer anti-democratic credentials, today came out to show why they abducted Omoyele Sowore by 1:24 a.m. 3 days ago. They showed that by daring Nigerians and shooting tear gas, not only peace-loving protesters, who were only with placards. We only had placards with us. We only had leaflets with us. None of us were armed. That government, the Buhari government, came with tear gas, live bullets, ammunition, and were shooting at protesters. They were shooting at a lot of people. And not only that, they arrested many of our comrades, and including journalists. Many of the journalists here today have been attacked one way or the other by the tear gas, bullets, and ammunition of General Muhammadu Buhari and Pastor Yemi Osinbajo. Buhari cannot stop the revolution that Nigerians have desired. I want to give you a short history today. That the call for revolution started from the cost of living allowance.
Yes.
From 1945 to 1947, general strike led by the labor leader #1, Michael Imodu. We want to posit the revolution now, no matter the interpretation of the ruling class, is dependent on what Nigerians desire. We are saying that enough is enough. The Buhari government cannot be dedicating over 15% to care for their kitchen, while just 4% is being dedicated to health care. We are saying that the Buhari government cannot be giving just 8% to education in Nigeria. The Buhari government cannot continue where the same PDP government has stopped by continuing to extorting Nigerians. Today is the first day of the days of rage. The Nigerian police force, unfortunately, are people who do not care about their own children and their future. Nigerians should stand up and rise against the Buhari government. Nigerians should stand up and defend the 5-point demands of the Coalition for Revolution. On that note, we demand for the immediate release of Omoyele Sowore, who has done nothing other than saying that another Nigeria is possible. We demand for immediate release of Sonya Olujuwon that was arrested today. We demand for the immediate release of Banwo Olagokun that was arrested today. We demand the release of Evans, the release of Gabriel Ojuma, the convener of United Action for Democracy. We demand for the release of a journalist, Victor, from Sahara Reporters, and a lot of people that you have arrested all over the country. Always fight for our rights.